Vigila, mostly hunted by dinosaurs, but still seen only in Diosai, Pakistan. Vigila came out after extinctions of dinosaurs. It's kind of seal. With that we have black rhinoceros, which were of huge in sizes and strong in body. Extinct due to human hunt them for food and Smilodon. It looks like saber-toothed cat, but it's not saber-toothed cat. It's Smilodon. The next is Moao, which is mostly hunted by eagles and falcons. Now, extinct years ago. After that, we have Irish elk, mostly found dead due to trees because of his long seeing and human hunt Irish elk for food and for clothes. With that, we have Altes bear. This is also seen in Diosai, Pakistan, hunt only due to human hunting activities. This is still seen in Diosai, Pakistan. With that, we have Barbary lion. This one is the most biggest lion of South Africa. Support, subscribe.